Have a look at this 1956 Ford pick-em-up truck. Check out this venting in the hood. He's got the glass up on it, so it's kind of hard to see the inside. But it looks pretty darn clean in there. Automatic. Guess you can't really see in there too good, but it's kind of a cream colored. Check out those hubcaps, like the can openers. Even got a little 8-ball for the air shock there. Tail lights, monogrammed by Ford. He's got a nice cover on his bed. Chromed up tailpipe. Nice running boards, they look really good. Look at that old key entry there. Chrome on the gas cap. The antenna. Yep. 1956 Ford pickup truck.